Hello, this is an open collab. The characters I will be doing is Aphrodite and Apollo. So if I randomly pause it, it's just to warn you about my short breath, alright? Get the captions on for you guys.
Divine intervention, is that what you seek? To untie every hinges that were graced on that freak? You are playing with thunder for a man full of shame, but if he's worth the risk of going under, why not make it a game? Convince each of them that he ought to be released, and I'll release him. Who's that?
Hello, darlings. Great. Right. Apollo, you know I'm a fan of catchy songs, but so many sirens gone, I think Odie's in the wrong. If that's true, release him.
Why should I give in my support? He sacrificed his own cohort. Did you forget they failed to listen? He was betrayed and then imprisoned. But if you make the right decision, he can still build a future with those who miss him. Fine, we listen.
Here comes my favorite. Aphrodite, you're a little high and mighty. Odysseus claims to love his mother, but let her die of a broken heart. More like busy spiting the Cyclops. Let him feel the pain that his mother felt and wrought.
What kind of sick coward holds back his power while his friends get devoured? He didn't even fight Scylla, didn't even try to kill her. Hides inside a wooden horse to get the job done. Never handles things up front, but that's been weak like his son. Hold your tongue now, he's not my man. Apollo loved that a broken heart mends. You want more bloodshed than set him free. To get back to his homestead, you'll make everybody bleed.
Release him. What the fuck?
Never once has he cheated on his wife. Release him. I played your game and won. Release him. You dare to defy me, to make me feel shame. No one wins me. No one wins my game.